Hira Mandi, a Dauja in the Pakistan city of Lahore, is on life support. The area, which is located in the walled city or the old city, is presently the country's oldest red light district. Yet, if you travel the criss-crossing roads and bylanes till you reach this neighborhood, you could just hear the faint tinkle of ghungroos to the beat of any recent Bollywood movie song wafting down from one of the decaying havelis or houses here. It's reminiscent of Mujra performances from the neighborhood's regal history. Hira Mandi, which in Urdu and Punjabi means a diamond market, is an area in the city of Lahore in Pakistan. Sometimes also known as Shahi Mohalla, Hira Mandi is one of the most popular destinations in Pakistan that saw a dramatic downfall in the British era. The actual year Hira Mandi was founded is still unknown. Several historians believe that the red light district or Hira Mandi was previously located outside of the city. According to historians, Hira Mandi travelled from old Anarkali Bazaar to Lohari Gate and established at Chowk Matti and Chowk Chakla. Several wealthy dancers built villas in Lohari, which may still be seen today. These mansions were known as kothas. Matti Bai was a famous red light dancing girl, and the chowk was named for her. According to historical records, Matti Bai formerly lived in a 4-story home in Lohari, but it is no longer visible. The neighborhood, which rose to prominence during the Mughal Empire as a place where women from Afghanistan and Uzbekistan danced, sang and entertained the emperors, became a center of prostitution when the British established brothels there for the leisure of British soldiers under the British Raj. Hira Mandi fell out of favor during this period and became renowned as prostitution hotspot. During Lahore's Mughal era, the 15th and 16th century, the market was the center of the city's Tawaif society. It was founded by the Mughals who invited ladies from Afghanistan and Uzbekistan to enjoy the dance and entertainment. Subsequently, ladies from various regions of the Indian subcontinent were brought to Hira Mandi to amuse the Mughals with Indian classical dances such as Kathak. After the Mughal era was over, Maharaj Ranjit Singh reintroduced several royal customs of the Mughals in Lahore, among which was the culture of Tawaifs and their performances in the court. It was Maharaja Ranjit Singh who named it Hira Mandi. Singh had established the food grain market in the area and it was initially called Hira Singhi Mandi and later came to be known as Hira Mandi. The culture of Tawaifs was restarted by Ranjit Singh, but it could never match the grandeur with which the Mughals honoured the area. History also tells us that Maharaja Ranjit Singh also fell in love with a Tawaif, which was met with resistance from his people as the woman belonged to the Kanjar caste. Ranjit Singh did not pay any heed to these criticisms and went on to marry the woman and built a separate haveli or mansion for her. However, it was the British rule which gave the area a bad name and it came to be known as the prostitution hub. The brothel houses were redeveloped by the British in the old Anarkali Bazaar for the British soldiers. After that, the hubs were shifted to Lahori Gate and Taksali Gate. During daytime, Hira Mandi looks like any ordinary market, where shops sell food, khussa, a traditional Mughal footwear, and musical instruments for mujra, which happens at night. During the night, the brothels above the shops open up and the prostitution work starts. Today, Hira Mandi is a hub of sex workers who perform mujra for people. The practice never stopped, and women from different parts of Pakistan and neighbouring countries found shelter in Hira Mandi. During the rule of Zia-ul Haq in Pakistan, 1978 to 1988, a rigorous effort was made to end prostitution in this area. But it did not work out as the brothels were shifted to other parts of Lahore. The idea to make Hira Mandi a virtual story on the courtesans of Lahore's Hira Mandi area was given to filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali nearly 14 years ago by writer Moin Beg. Hira Mandi, which in Urdu means diamond market, is an area in the city of Lahore in Pakistan. Bhansali, however, could not make the film at that time as he got busy with Devdas. After that, Bhansali got busy with Sawariya, Guzarish and then Bajirao Mastani, and the script of Hira Mandi could not see the light of the day. At one point, writer Moin Beg even asked his script back as Bhansali did not do anything with it. But as luck would have it, Beg and Bhansali never knew that the iconic story of Pakistan's most popular street would be transformed into a series, that too for Netflix. As for Bhansali, when he and Beg narrated the story to Netflix, they were in a tizzy. At last, Hira Mandi deserved a series of 8 to 9 episodes to tell the world the story of Lahore's Tawaifs, whose fortunes came crashing down under the British Raj and remains there today.